niggas gave me some dookie, nigga. What the fuck? Shit look like dookie. Why they put so much on this bitch? Nah, they did me grimy, bro. I told y'all he was back there looking mad as fuck. I knew he was gonna do that shit. Didn't I tell you, bro? I'm a fan of coleslaw. Y'all fuck with coleslaw? Let me know down in the comments if you fuck with coleslaw, though. You fuck with coleslaw? This coleslaw, nah, it ain't sweet.
Yes.
Fuck. Fuck. Bro, don't stop. Bro, no. It ain't that bad. It ain't that bad, bro.